How must states respond to grave breaches under IHL? Imagine a situation where serious violations like torture or unlawful deportation happen during a war. What should the countries involved do to handle these grave breaches? Let's find out. When a state is part of the Geneva Conventions, it has clear rules to follow if a grave breach occurs. First, the state must search for anyone suspected of committing or ordering these violations. This means investigating regardless of where the crime happened or the nationality of the suspect. It's a universal duty that applies to all parties involved. Next, the state must either prosecute the suspect in its own courts or extradite them to another country willing to try the case. This is called the principle of universal jurisdiction. The goal is to make sure no one can commit serious crimes and escape punishment. It helps prevent impunity and promotes accountability. States are also required to create laws that define grave breaches clearly and include penalties for those crimes. This means updating national legal systems so that anyone found responsible can be tried and punished properly. Having effective laws in place is essential for justice. In addition, states need to cooperate with other countries and international organizations. They should share evidence, help with extradition, and support judicial processes. This teamwork strengthens the fight against serious violations and ensures justice is served across borders. Preventive measures are equally important. States must train their armed forces on the rules of international humanitarian law. They should also spread awareness about the Geneva Conventions and ensure that military commanders understand their responsibilities. This helps stop violations before they happen. All these steps show that states have a duty to respond firmly and swiftly to grave breaches. They must investigate, prosecute, legislate, cooperate, and prevent violations. These actions protect civilians and uphold the core principles of international humanitarian law. When countries follow these obligations, they reinforce respect for human dignity even during the chaos of war.